If you're a freelancer still doing everything manually in 2026, writing proposals, answering emails, managing projects, editing content, you're working twice as hard as you need to. The freelancers making the most money right now aren't the most talented. They're the ones using AI to do in 2 hours what used to take 10. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 best AI tools for freelancers in 2026. Tools I actually tested, ranked by how much time they save and how fast they pay for themselves. Stay till the end because tool number 7 is the one most people sleep on, and it's the one that can make the biggest difference to your income. Welcome to AI Tools Hub, where we cut through the noise and tell you exactly which AI tools are worth your time and money. All links to everything mentioned in this video are in the description below, including free trials where available. Let's get into it. Number 1 is ChatGPT, and yes, I know you've heard of it, but most freelancers are barely scratching the surface. ChatGPT handles proposals, client emails, project scopes, content outlines, social media posts, and even invoicing language, all in seconds. The move that saves the most time. Build a custom GPT trained on your own writing style and past proposals. Every new client pitch takes 3 minutes instead of 45. Pricing: free plan available. Pro is $20 a month. Pays for itself with 1 extra client per month. Number 2 is Grammarly, and in 2026, it's way more than a spell checker. The AI-powered version rewrites weak sentences, adjusts your tone for the audience, formal for a corporate client, casual for a startup, and flags anything that sounds unprofessional. For freelancers who write anything, emails, articles, proposals, reports, Grammarly is the fastest way to look more polished without spending extra time editing. Pricing: free plan covers the basics. Pro is $12 a month. Number 3 is Notion AI, and this one is genuinely a game changer for staying organized. Notion is already the best project management tool for freelancers. Add AI on top and it can summarize your meeting notes, generate task lists from your project brief, and even write first drafts of client deliverables, all inside your existing workspace. If you're juggling multiple clients, Notion AI keeps everything in one place and actually helps you think through your projects instead of just storing them. Pricing: free plan available. AI add-on is $10 a month. Number 4 is Fireflies.ai, and this one is specifically for freelancers who do client calls. Fireflies automatically joins your Zoom or Google Meet, records the call, transcribes it, and gives you an AI summary with the key action items pulled out. No more scrambling to take notes during calls. No more, wait, what did they say the deadline was? You get a clean summary in your inbox within minutes of the call ending. For consultants, coaches, designers, developers, anyone doing discovery calls, this one saves at least 2 hours a week. Pricing: free plan for basic use. Pro is $18 a month. Number 5 is Jasper, the best AI writing tool if your freelance work involves producing content at scale. Where ChatGPT is a conversation, Jasper is a content production system. It has templates for blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, email sequences, and more. And it maintains a consistent brand voice across everything. If you're a copywriter, content strategist, or social media freelancer, Jasper can literally double your output without doubling your hours. Pricing starts at $49 a month. If you're billing clients for content, this pays for itself fast. Number 6 is Canva AI. And if you're not using the AI features yet, you're missing out. Canva's AI can now generate images, resize designs for any platform instantly, write copy for your graphics, and even create entire presentations from a text prompt. For freelancers who need to deliver visual work, social media content, pitch decks, thumbnails, brand kits, Canva AI cuts production time in half. And the best part? It requires 0 design experience. The output looks professional even if you've never used a design tool before. Pricing: free plan available. Pro is $15 a month. And here's number 7, the one most freelancers haven't heard of yet but should. ElevenLabs is an AI voice tool that generates ultra-realistic human-sounding voiceovers from any text. Why does this matter for freelancers? 3 reasons. First, if you produce any kind of video content, podcasts, or audio for clients, ElevenLabs replaces expensive voice actors and recording studios. Second, you can clone your own voice and generate unlimited narration without recording anything. Third, and this is the opportunity most people miss, YouTube channels, online courses, and content agencies are actively hiring freelancers who can produce professional AI voiceovers fast. It's a new skill with very little competition right now. Pricing. Free plan available. Starter is $5 a month, one of the best value tools on this list. So to recap, the 7 best AI tools for freelancers in 2026. Number 1, ChatGPT. Proposals, emails, anything text-based. Number 2, Grammarly. Polished professional writing every time. Number 3, Notion AI. Project management plus AI in one place. Number 4, Fireflies.ai. Automatic call transcription and summaries. Number 5, Jasper. High-volume content production. Number 6, Canva AI. Professional visuals with no design skills. Number 7, ElevenLabs. AI voiceovers and a new freelance income stream. You don't need all 7. Start with 1 or 2 that match what you already do and add more as you grow. All links are in the description below. Most have free trials so you can test before you spend anything. If this video saved you some time, hit subscribe. We drop new AI tool reviews every week. And if you want to see a full tutorial on any of these tools, drop it in the comments. I'll make it happen. See you in the next one.